Abusia ha attention TV so mo akwaba de eba so ensem koso e wo Ghana memo ha say any social media so ana magi bre attention TV so a me de ebe so mo na abusia for me ka say what join ye dia subscribe like comment the sanso share ye kopie mu so e Facebook and say adwuma ni bi enso egu ha rodru ha follow, like, comment, and also share. Come here, say ne Ghana ban mu ha ayedin ama say no kra de petrol any ne bedi nso ayedin any na nam so analyze Ghana demonstration ba so say ni nkofo bi no mu kra enu wo ho a wo kire mu akire say wonya kra nka wo anfo wo ho ankok dore arise Ghana demonstration fisa nam so kra ama wo ho ade na ena ye de ni anase ye peja ye nim akopie soro ho de a na chirese wo chire mama ne boy free ho eba ne se Ghana memu hanu say asanso ada ne woni e de akochire IMF ye International Monetary Fund na wo ye dwumako bi a wo outside Ghana chirese one day was suspended debt na chirese jama wo de wo mka de a wo say ye ma wo ye suspend unya ntua for some month and as week bi until we say ye twen kakra e wo ka wo de no so na we ana wo chire machira eba NDC amemo so no ka me akoye sese MPP fo ni chire ma NDC amemo no amfa nyoma bi aduto kwa mu ntina e ka me akoye se kan de a na ye de a ye kosoro na se na wo se MPP fo so esanso da no woni na wo de ko chire IMF na chire se IMF nso eye wo mo ebusia ya wani bofo ekoye na onu so ede mu nchire mu ede epesom ya yenko nenko tie senia Ghana ye sanso de ye ni akochire mu ewo IMF asoye na sana MPP amemo no so kan asemi e de afa
Ghana mampeni na adudan kwa ekufuado ana sabrie ka say de wahye sofo a wo hwe sika sem so ye raken ofori ata se enimeni mia won hyase na formal engagement ano baba ye NHS ye sinkonya ato adwene wo mo ene International Monetary Fund ye twa ni friend IMF wo mo nko every so we say ye hwe man Ghana se sika sem no se de aye na IMF na wo se yeko ye ni alternative ye ni option baby a wo se de ni kira ene IMF na enyina nim se enye da di kan Ghana yakwa IMF di enche yakura ya mampeni da John Dramani Mahama abra no tie akonya so kwa International Monetary Fund fo akache edito monim se wo man se de sika sema se no se mono no man be so yasne mu a ene se bibiri cheke se pa na beboye e ma IMF fo be so yasne mu eboa enje sika pudro di mo man mampeni fo yi ede ye ne oman kakra sa mo man timi ejina ne naso na no uhwe conditionalities ne terms a e bata IMF wo mo bosia pay fo ne ho a sebe edin so beko entino abra na MPP fo ewo position no wa mo say NDC fo esanso mo ntimi ambu man no afa nyoma angu kwam yenti ekatwitwi die na bedo man so ne IMF ne die eti akohya ase entagana fo hu omomobo ne yeto aba mo no mo ba wo mbe yie fra hu yehim IMF no ai ye no mo twonkwanta ya bepai enya de beko obium ye betwe ho afrim ampani ampa Ghana fo to aba ma MPP fo ama na nado dan kwakufu ado ne mampani betena akonya so mampani ebu man na first time de kwagu second term 2 years ekwo na wiye wasisisi a Russia Ukraine ene COVID-19 wo bi nim bebi ade afiri ba be sensen ye kom ama ye kase sika sem nyina ye sesi one time enu ntina fi wo mu de betu dwase nka electronic transaction levy e-levy ye ntua estimation wo mu nim se anya hwekura abosumi mienu ntamo no enkoman Ghana ebenya 600 million Ghana cedis ne nya ne se afe enka ya ye entinki ho beto yen ya omu ko board twede wo parliamentarians ko board twede etie bi kuna ebi mni mu nyina yetiti bi ma hwe bia no mekai sports minister ya pem na no so ma sabe preko no kase ese na esenesa wo no ya preko na we nipa wo mu bo papai asummu akọ so parliament ni nyina ye e-levy ya waya ya den ye ni asem ka e-levy be ye adwuma enche ye be na wotwe ye besini ko ye mu ana ye wura eye gabi o kire da ko ede ko to ni social media platform so say e-levy na kasa kura ye de ba ye ne nim say ya agenkwa say beku mu a amfeske bi amba boso mienu ntam anke ye hwe say benya 600 million no 60 million pe de etimi nya firi mu enti che say empanifo hye omo ye ene bebi omo di omo ni kire omo hu say enka e-levy ne beboa eye firi ahohiem na ankosi aga enti si an ye be dan ye be kwa IMF ana ye nkwa IMF ene Ghana for so pa no social media so sabre wo be test waters enkrofo afa ho adwen dada enra da cabinet meeting bi ekoso nanum ana eye cabinet akwakosi ginaye ese ho behia se bebi a ye ginayin IMF na wasi yeko enti nkrata ba montene so asofo a wo no hwa mane bonsam so yewra kodwo ponkroma nsa hyase e de to eye finance minister nim se mampani na nado ese de aye die IMF na ne wasi yeko enti ye kase ye se ade a empanifo kra hyase eni IMF empanifo edi nkomo ahwe se government programs and policies bi wo mbaba beso yasene e wo ho na mampani na nado danko akufo ado eni Ken ofori ata wo munsem efa sa IMF ne ho nsensem ho no yenko ne yenko tie kakra
is an important one in the economic history of Ghana. We are about to exit at the end of the year from our 17th IMF program since we joined the institute. We're doing so on a good note and expect that the 2 remaining reviews in January and April next year will be completed successfully. The presence here earlier this week of Madame Christine Lagarde, the Managing Director of the IMF, who expressed clearly her support of the current management of the economy, is in this regard a good omen. The most important lesson that we must derive from our IMF experience is that we cannot afford any longer any disarray in our public finances, the reason for our demand for IMF assistance. Government will legislate in this meeting of Parliament a fiscal rule that will cap permissible fiscal deficits at a maximum of 5% and a debt to GDP ratio of a maximum of 65%. It is my intention to anchor the implementation of this fiscal rule that will provide stability to our economy by establishing a presidential advisory fiscal council composed of eminent Ghanaian economists who will provide independent advice to the president on how to comply with the fiscal. We have everything to gain from discipline in the management of our public finances. It is the foundation for sustainable, rapid growth of the economy. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen of the media, a great deal of work is being done in so many areas so that we can turn our back on our recent era of failure and set our country on the path of sustainable, rapid development and growth. We took the decision on coming in that the country had entered into this program in 2015. It was coming to an end in April 2018. And we felt that to give a certain sense of stability and coherence to our country's economic policy making, we would complete the program. And we're committed to completing the program. The last budget that is going to be held under the IMF program will be the budget that is going to be laid before the House in November by the Finance Minister. That will be the last budget of the Ghana government under the current IMF program. So there's going to be no question of an extending the program. The program is going to be completed.
Because the consequences are quick, but I'm sure last week there were other things that also were difficult for us as a country.
Mamenka o Second University Foundation ana asoma sna me di jumedi ebe som woni number N05483029885. They be aka Second University Foundation, your donations are never too late. In terms of for IMF aso ya Ghana for your DNA asanso akopemo emunchiremu ana ye de be som mo e Attention TV so ye da se ya crowd.